Welcome, students, to Virtual Teaching Tutor. Welcome to decimals. Decimals are a way of expressing numbers that are not whole. They allow us to represent values between whole numbers, making them essential in everyday life, from measuring ingredients and cooking to handling money. Understanding decimals is crucial as they are widely used in mathematics, science, finance, and various other fields. Let's dive in. A decimal number is composed of two parts, the whole number part and the fractional part, separated by a decimal point. For example, in the number 3.75, 3 is the whole number part. 75 is the fractional part, which represents 75 hundredths. Let's solve a problem involving addition of decimals. Add 2.35 and 4.78. Step 1. Align the numbers. Write the numbers one under the other, aligning the decimal points. 2.35 plus 4.78. Step 2. Add the numbers. Start adding from the rightmost digit, the hundreds place. In this case, the hundreds place is 5 and 8. Number 1. The hundreds place. 5 plus 8 equals 13. Write down 3 and carry over 1. Tens place. 3 plus 7 plus 1 carried over equals 11. Write down 1 and carry over 1. Number 3, whole number place. 2 plus 4 plus 1 carried over equals 7. Don't forget to bring down your decimal. So when you add them up, it looks like this. 2.35 plus 4.78 equals 7.13. Step 3. Write the final answer. The sum of 2.35 and 4.78 is 7.13. Here's a step-by-step problem example of subtraction of decimals. Subtract 3.25 from 5.60. Step 1. Align the numbers. 5.60 minus 3.25. Step 2. Subtract the numbers. Again, start from the rightmost digit, 0 and 5, which is in the hundreds place. Number 1, hundreds place, 0 minus 5. We can't do this, so we borrow 1 from the tenths place, making it 5.5. Now, 10 minus 5 equals 5. Number 2, the tenths place. Now it's 5 minus 2 equals 3. Remember to bring down the decimal point. Number 3, whole number place. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Remember the decimal. So now we have 2.35. Putting it all together, 5.60 minus 3.25 equals 2.35. Step 3. Write the final answer. The difference between 5.60 and 3.25 is 2.35. In conclusion, decimals are a fundamental concept in mathematics that allows for precise representation of numbers. With practice, adding and subtracting decimals can become second nature. Keep practicing with different problems to strengthen your understanding. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could share it with your family and friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button to show your appreciation. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content and make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted as soon as we release our next video. If you're interested in tutoring sessions, feel free to contact me at jriverstar@gmail.com. Support our mission. Visit our website and donate via the link below to make a difference today. Thank you for watching, and we love hearing your thoughts in the comments.